everyone, this is Uncle Frank, hoping you're fine. And this time we're gonna learn how to draw Ultra Instinct Shaggy. First thing to do is to draw an oval. And then we're gonna shape this oval just like a bean, because we know he has a forward chin. So his head's gonna look like this. So I divided in the middle, established a place for his nose and his eyebrows, like this. And then he's gonna have a very thin neck. For this drawing, I want you to notice that he's gonna be looking at one direction, but his body is gonna be turned to another one. And as you can see, I'm making a stick figure of his body. This is gonna be his torso, and right under it I'm gonna make his pelvis. 2 lines for the legs, and I placed this circle in the middle just to identify the knee. And here I'm gonna have really big feet. So these are gonna be his shoulders. 2 circles to show me where his shoulders are gonna be. And now I'm going to draw his t-shirt. The t-shirt is gonna be as long as the end of his pelvis, and he's gonna be wearing a v-neck. Now I'm gonna follow the line I had drawn for the leg. And he's gonna be wearing bell-bottom trousers. Gonna do the same with the other. This one is gonna be more central. So these 2 lines are going to indicate his arm, which is gonna be in front of his body. Then I'm just gonna make a trapeze for his hand. That's gonna be enough for now. The other arm's gonna be close to his body. And here's a rough sketch of the hand. And since we're here, don't forget to hit the like button. That's very important for us, and it looks like the algorithm really likes it. Please hit the like button so YouTube will understand they should recommend our videos to more people. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna work a little bit more on the feet and the soles for his shoes. Now for the face, I'm gonna draw a hook for his nose. and 2 evil looking eyebrows. His eyes are just gonna be 2 circles. His mouth is gonna be shaped like a letter W, and there's gonna be a bearded circle on his chin. So this is his ear, and he's gonna have a total of 4 chunks of hair in front of his brow. Like this. And then I'm gonna complete the hair on the back of his head. There's gonna be this division in the middle and some hair on the other side of the head. It's basically done, so I'm going to erase some of the lines I had drawn before so I don't get confused. And I'm gonna work on some more details. This hand, for example. Now it's time to get the line work done. Okay, now let's color the drawing. I'm using flat colors, but I'm gonna do some shading to help you to do it. So the last thing we're gonna work on is the power aura on his hands. Shaggy is ready for the next fight in the multiverses. If you have watched the video up to this point, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel. You can also leave us a comment telling us what you want to see next. Thanks a lot for being with me, your company is always appreciated. See you next time.